Hey there. Hi. Hello. Hi guys. A very warm good evening to everyone. Welcome to the live session. I hope you all are doing well and staying healthy. Let me introduce myself. I am Lakshmi Shrestha, regional trainer and skincare expert at the Body Shop. So guys, as we all can feel the festive vibes, I'm pretty sure we all want to look, our best this festive season. So in today's session, I am going to discuss about apt skincare regime as well as recipe of nature, that is different types of mask which will help in giving you, instant glow that you require for this festive season. Okay, so before I start, I would like to give you a quick introduction about the brand. The Body Shop is an international cosmetic brand started in 1976. So the products are completely naturally inspired, ethically sourced, absolutely cruelty free, and Body Shop participates in a lot of campaigns and also believes in community fair trade. So the brand is completely into skincare, body care, cosmetics and fragrances. Okay, coming back to our session. The first and foremost thing, the most vital way to achieve a healthy glowing skin is to first by getting the basics right. Okay, so by getting the basics right, I mean first choosing the right product, second building the regime, actually knowing the usage and application of the product, and third is being consistent. Okay, so it has been noticed, nowadays basically what happens is we tend to get influenced by highly active social media world, or say we want to try the latest trend or the latest hack. But in this, skincare is very very subjective, and what may suit you, what it may not be, a different story for me altogether. So here, before starting the skincare journey, it is absolutely important first to understand what is your skin type, and then what exact concern you want to address. Okay, because there is no single product that can give you a magic. Even with the skincare products, it's a teamwork. So yes, to begin with, the most basic step which are there, it will be cleanser. Second will be moisturization, moisturizing the skin properly, and third will be sunscreen. So when we talk about cleanser, it is very very important. This is very common step, a basic step which we all of them follow. So when we talk about product, a cleanser, it's a wash off product, and it helps to remove the dirt and dust and buildup which we generally carry throughout the day. And whenever we choose a product, it's very important to see which ingredient it has and how the ingredient is going to help. So people with combination to oily skin, am I audible to all? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Okay, so talking about cleanser, so people with combination to oily skin should look for ingredient that has salicylic, charcoal, or say tea tree, which not only controls the excess oil but also generally unclogs the pores, refines the pores, and thereby reduces the formation of blackhead and whitehead. Thanks, Priyanka. Thereby reducing the formation of blackhead and whitehead. On the other hand, people with dry skin, or say dry to aging skin, should opt for a cleanser that is mild, gentle yet effective at the same time. You can look for ingredients that has hydrating agents or hydrants like, aloe vera, glycerine, vitamin E, or infused with essential oil. And people with sensitive skin, it's better to first understand what is the reason of sensitivity, seek dermatologist advice, and or otherwise it's always better to first do a patch test, or go ahead with, you can try out the samples first rather than investing in the product itself. Okay. And nowadays a lot of people are more into, face wash that gives them instant glow or instant brightening. Then in such cases, look for product that are infused with or has ingredients like, vitamin C or any kind of lightening agent that helps in removing the superficial tan and makes the skin little brighter and even. Okay. Coming to the second regime, moisturization. See, hydration is the key to healthy skin. So a well-balanced skin will definitely look healthy, supple, nourished, and radiant. So it is very important. Even there is a huge misconception when we talk about oily skin. Generally, oily skin people tend to avoid moisturizers, thinking that they don't need it. But all types of skin need moisturizer. That's the basic thing what we can do to take that's the minimum care that we can take. So oily skin in fact needs to go for something which is gel based or lightweight, that is non greasy, at the same time gives matte finish. So when you choose a moisturizer, it is very, very important that you check the texture first, how you're feeling, and then you can go ahead with. Okay. So guys, if you have any question related to this topic or what I'm today's session, I will be answering at the end of the session. Okay. Now, on the other hand, people with dry skin and aging skin should opt for creams which are slightly rich and heavier in texture, and that has that are infused with a little bit of hydrating agent that will maintain and seal the moisturization, which does not allow the transepidermal water loss and will maintain the skin barrier, prevent the skin barrier. So here you can again, so it's a texture basically what you can choose. So you have to try the texture first. It should be little more creamier and little bit more thicker, rich in texture. Okay. Now coming to the last step, which is sunscreen. This is the most avoided step. Lot of people say they don't need sunscreen, they are not going out, but to be very honest, it is extremely essential. Around 80 to 90% of skin damage happens because of oxidation and UV radiation. So yes, even if you're sitting at home, any weather, rainy, cloudy, it has to be applied. That's it. I mean to say, whether you're indoor, whether you're outdoor, you can definitely apply a sunscreen. That is the easiest, cheapest, preventive and effective way to keep your skin healthy, blemish free and youthful. That's it, period. So it's quite important. So talking about all these 3 steps, basic steps which I told you all, yes, see, I only talked about cleanser, moisturizer and a sunscreen. These are the basic steps which everybody can follow. If you guys want to add any kind of serum or actives, then it will be absolutely concern based, and based on the concern you can add it on basically. So it will be, but these 3 things if you maintain from the beginning, definitely the skin will stay healthy for a longer time. Okay. So now talking about the festive glow, I'll be showing the products also at the end. So now talking about the festive glow, we definitely want something, a quick fix that will help us to, without any effort or without any all these regime, all these hard work, gives a quick glow. So yes, to achieve the festive glow, there are two essential steps which you can follow. One is exfoliating the skin, and second is masking, applying mask. So when we talk about exfoliation, what exactly it does, it removes or buffs away the upper layer, the dead skin of the dead skin cells, and the healthy skin gets revealed. Also, it removes superficial tan. It helps the product to get absorbed better, in a better way. So exfoliation is advised once or twice in a week, depending upon your lifestyle. Also, you can do 2 to 3 times as well. And there are different types of exfoliators when you choose it. So it completely depends on the beads you're choosing about. It will be sugar based, salt based, made up of natural beads. So it's up to your comfort, but yes, it's quite important. Once or twice it is advised to to get rid of the superficial tan. And when we talk about mask actually helps the skin, all the actives to penetrate deeply. It refines the pores instantly, minimizes the pores, and the skin instantly looks very fresh. So exfoliation and mask both will give you, it's a very effective and a quick remedy to get a healthy glow. Okay, so in Body Shop, we do have a ready to use mask. Okay, there are different types of mask based on skin type. Now you need to understand how your skin type is and which one will be the best suited for you. So we have a range of mask, ready to use mask. It is called Recipe of Nature. In that we have around 5 to 6 masks which you can try, which I am going to show you right now. So to begin with, the most popular mask that we have in Body Shop, and which is even my favorite, because it's like a quick cleanup at home, quick facial at home. It gives you that glow. It's a ginseng rice mask, clarifying and polishing mask. The texture is absolutely creamy. So as I said, it's ready to use. You just need to take the product and apply. So it is infused with ginseng, which is very good for keeping your skin healthy. Rice powder, which acts like a scrub and gives you instant brightening as well. So this mask is suitable for all types of skin, and any mask that you apply on your face is advised to be kept for around between 10 to 15 minutes. So what you can do, you have to do is clean your face thoroughly, apply this mask. Now this is a 2-in-1 mask. Mask comes scrub. So what you can do is just apply the mask for 10-15 minutes, leave it on, and then gently start scrubbing your face and neck to get that instant glow. So when you apply it, it might give you slight tingling sensation, which is absolutely normal. And it has, it is suitable for all skin type, because we all want to look, we all want that glow, radiant glow. So this is the most fast moving and popular mask of Body Shop. So I would urge you all to go and take a patch test in the store. This mask won't disappoint you. So moving forward, I will be showing you the moving forward, I will be showing you all the iconic mask, which is called Himalayan Charcoal Mask. Now again, this is also very popular mask of Body Shop. This mask is suitable for people, those who have combination to oily skin. It has a clay texture, and the fragrance is absolutely refreshing. So look wise, it will look like this. It's a clay mask. Okay, and the ingredients that you see, it is infused with green tea leaves that acts like a scrub. Then it has clay, which will absolutely tighten the pores and trap all the excess oil. And it has tea tree oil, antibacterial property, and Himalayan charcoal. Now charcoal is known to work like a magnet. It pulls all the dust and dirt and instantly purifies the skin. Now charcoal mask, when you apply this mask, see, mask can be applied twice or maximum thrice in a week. And this mask, charcoal mask, if you see, basically it needs to be kept only for around 10 minutes. So no need to wait till it completely dries out. Like in olden days we used to completely wait till it dries out. No, it serves the purpose. 10 minutes is more than enough. So as I mentioned, it is suitable for combination to oily skin. What it does, it rejuvenates the skin instantly and controls all the excess oil. So it has a very refreshing fragrance, and this mask also won't disappoint you. It is one of the iconic product and fast moving mask of Body Shop. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, moving ahead, the third mask that I am going to show is Nicaragua coffee mask. Now this mask, again, this is suitable for all skin type, especially people those who have normal to dry skin. It has a very refreshing coffee smell, and this literally awakens the tired and dull skin. So it is a creamy texture, absolutely creamy texture, you can see. So it has powerful coffee beans and infused with shea butter and cocoa butter. So it's slightly warm. The moment you apply, it's quite creamy. As I mentioned, it's quite creamy. So the moment you apply, it instantly warms up. So it's a warming and energizing mask. Absolutely good for people, those who have normal to dry skin. And it really leaves your skin very soft and very supple after the use. So again, even this mask, you can keep it around 10 to 15 minutes. Maximum is 20 minutes. Do not exceed more than 20. So something you feel is slightly drying, you can keep it around 10 to 15 minutes. And this mask you can keep around 10 to 20 minutes. So not more than that. We do not advise more than keeping longer than that. So this mask is also very, very nourishing, very, very hydrating, very good for uneven, lifeless skin. So beautiful mask. Please do try the samples if you get a chance. Go to the nearest store, try out the samples, or if the samples are not there, we do give trial. You can take in the store. We apply face mask and we give you the trial. Okay. Moving ahead, I'll be showing next will be British Rose. It's a one second. It's guys, this mask is available in two size. One, it will be 75 ml. The price for this will be 2,195. Okay, so it has to be used twice in a week, or maximum twice in a week. So it will last you about quite a long time. It spreads quite easily. You don't need to add anything in this. It's a ready to use mask. And one, we have a small pack, 15 ml pack. This one will be the British Rose plumping mask. Now this mask is good for people those who have dehydrated skin. Sorry. So this mask is absolutely good for people those who have dehydrated skin. It's a gel based mask. So I'll show you this. See, it's very soothing. It is infused with real rose petals, aloe vera gel and rosehip oil. Very good for dehydrated skin. So after the use of this mask, you will instantly see, the skin has become quite fresh and plumpy. And it has a very beautiful fragrance. That is a mild rose fragrance. And British Rose is one of our hero range. So British Rose has a very, again, this product also, out of 10 customers, at least 8 to 9 customers prefer British Rose. See the texture of this mask. It's gel based completely. Now guys, I have only 4 masks with me. The other 2 masks will be Japanese matcha mask, which is good for people those who have it is anti-pollution and anti-aging mask. It has dandelion extract, aloe vera and matcha, which is known to have anti-pollution property. Not only that, it has menthol, which instantly refreshes the skin. So if you are someone who travels a lot or rides a bike every single day, please try the Japanese matcha mask. And last but not the least, we have hemp mask, which unfortunately I don't have to so that I can show you. So that mask is absolutely a creamy texture, very good for dry to ultra dry skin. It is infused with hemp seed oil, olive oil, very nourishing. So no need to remove that mask. You can keep it all throughout the night, and next morning you can wash it off. So this is the quick fix which I was talking about. So these masks are 2-in-1. As I mentioned, it is mask cum scrub. So what you can do is apply the product for around 10-15 minutes, and then you can gently scrub it off with slight lukewarm water. Okay. So guys, do you have any question related to mask? Anyone? Okay. So I hope you all found this information, this session quite informative. Also, last but not the least, before ending the session, I would request you all the viewers to support Body Shop. Body Shop has collaborated with Miracle Foundation, and we are supporting this Diwali. We are supporting children who lost their parents and caregivers in the pandemic. So we are supporting their education and health. It's a fundraising initiative. So if you want, you can donate us online or through stores. It will be a great help and a blessing for you all. Happy weekend, guys. Any questions for me related to the mask? Dry skin. For dry skin, you can try the Nicaragua coffee mask. As I mentioned, it is very good for normal to dry skin. Or otherwise, if you have ultra dry skin, you can go for the hemp mask, which you don't need to wash it off. You can leave it overnight. Okay. Anything else related to the mask? Govind, Chinese ginseng mask is one of our popular mask. So this mask helps in instantly, revitalizing, brightening the skin, removes the tan and superficial, superficial tan. So instantly it brightens up the skin. Thank you, Salman. Hope you all enjoyed the session. Hope you all liked the session, found this session informative. Sheila, for oily skin, I would recommend charcoal mask. Charcoal mask. It's a clay mask and a very popular and iconic product of Body Shop. So it's a clay mask you need to apply for 10 minutes. Thank you guys. Have a happy weekend.